Okay guys, today we are going to learn second topic, which is learning vocabulary. In this collocations, what are collocations we are going to learn. So collocations means nothing but natural word combination, we call it as collocations. You may write there guys, write there natural word combination. You may write there. It's easy for you to understand while you are teaching to students. It's easy to you to understand. Okay. Natural word combination is nothing but, suppose let me tell you, I am going to school by bus. By bus we use, right? I am suffering from fever. From fever only saying, right? I am at school. At school only saying. So we are using these words combination naturally. So we call those all as collocations. Okay, collocations means nothing but natural word combinations. Okay, you may write some. Suppose if you want, you may write these also as your notes, madam. Pay attention. Okay, pay attention. Next one, fast food. We are saying fast food. Make an effect. Make an effect. Powerful engine. Powerful engine. By buzz. From fever. Okay, etc. These are called as collocations. That means naturally we say that pay attention everyone, like that. We say fast food only. Okay, you understood, I think so, right? So these are called collocations. You can arrange, means I am not giving clarity, means I am not going to brief topic guys. Why? Because you understood, I think so, right? What are collocations? So like this you have to explain students. Ask some of the collocations from the students. Okay, ask them some to say. Next you have to see, madam, page name means second, learning vocabulary only. A, write down words that go together. That go together means natural combination of words. Okay, in that you have to see, when words are used together, link this. We call it a collocation. Means they are unable to understand if we say like that. Natural word combination means they can understand easily. Okay, so you have to underline here, madam. You go by bus. By underline. You go by train. You can ask them how to come to, how do you come to school, Nana? They can say that by bus, by auto, by school bus. Like that they are saying no. So you have to use those by bus, by underline, madam, by train. Okay. How can we say if we go by walk? Means we are not saying by walk, right? It's on foot is the correct one. Nadichi veltanu. On foot. I go to school on foot. Okay. Underline on foot also. And explain those meanings. Beside only in bracket you have, madam, meaning. What is mean by? On foot means walking. Okay. So here what are all these? Suppose on foot means, here on is a preposition. Just a moment, someone is connecting. On foot means on is a preposition and foot is noun. There only gave to you. Once check it, madam. Okay. Then the second one is, some people are good at languages. Good at. Good at. Good at languages we have to say. Underline good at. Next here, what is good? It's an adjective and it is a preposition. So explain like this also. Then next one, I saw a very tall man. Tall man. Okay, tall man we have to say. Tall is an adjective, man is noun. Okay. Underline those, madam. I am repeating again. By train, on foot, good at, tall man. Okay. Okay. Come to next page. So on this topic only we are having exercises. 2.1 exercise you have to see. Look at 3 of this book. How many more collocations are there? Means how many collocations you arranged by your own. You have to write down. Suppose these all are I arranged by my own. Why? Because I had to teach you, so that I prepared notes, madam. So you can say some of them to the students and explain what are the collocations. And here they have to do these exercises by their own. When they understand properly, they are able to do properly, right? So explain them again and again up to they understand. Okay. And ask them to write like this. Have a party, have a shower, like this. Okay. Next, 2.2. Here they gave you some of the words, madam. Wet, high, big, dry, warm, happy, cool, rainy, dark. So here here you have to do like this, madam. Means related word they have to identify here. Related words. Means suppose weather related words. Madams are connecting now. Right. Weather. We are saying that wet weather. Wet weather. Weather we are writing. Weather related words. Wet weather. Hot weather. Right. Cool weather. So like that. Like that they have to arrange related words of weather. Means here in box they gave you some of the words. So they have to pick some words related to weather. Okay. Weather చెప్పడానికి ఏ words use చేస్తారు. They have to pick them by their own. Next to 2.3. You have to look at 2.3, madam. There name of family they gave you. Name of family. Family means nothing but, see, I'll explain you. This is example I am explaining you guys. You can explain nothing but a family means related words. Means school related words. Suppose what you see in school. School related words. Family of word. Which family? School family words you have to write. School family. That means what are you having in school? Like benches, chairs, trees, teachers, principals, rooms, classrooms, students, books, whatever. How many they are able to arrange? They have to say all those related words. Means we call them as school family. Like this you have to give some more related words to them by your own. Here what they gave, see, school related words they gave you. And rain related words. And next sun, teacher. Like this you have to take some of the related words. You have to name them family. Means here school, teacher, exam, students are belongs to school family. And next one, rain, sun, cloud, snow, ice, weather related. Okay guys. So like that you have to arrange. We have to teach them 2.3 bit. Okay, any more doubts anyone in these 3 bits? Can ask me please. Otherwise I'll go to next page. Collocations I taught you. And you underlined those collocations. And 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Is it clear, madam? Any more doubts anyone? Shall I continue next page? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Next 2.4, madam. 2.4 nothing but emotions, madam. Emotions. Means you had to draw some pictures. Here gave some some picture like this, and we had to identify the picture. What is the emotion there? Means she is crying there. So cry. So we are having emojis like this, no? So you had to draw some emojis and ask them what is the emotion. Okay. Nothing but emotions, that is. You have to write there 2.4 as emotions. Okay. Right? Okay. Next 2.5. Put words in the empty circle. Same as related words, guys. They gave like this. Furniture related words we had to arrange only 4. So they gave is desk and chair. They had to write more to related furniture, table. Table, bench. Yes, good. So like that they had to arrange, madam, there. Okay, next one is cloths given. How types of cloths, types of dresses also you may say. Suppose hat, wearing dress, hat, dress given. You had to say some more. What I wore sari. What you wore uniform. Like this you had to teach them. Okay, that is 2.5. Okay, madam, that's it. Second lesson is related to collocations. That's it. Have you any more doubts, anyone in any exercise? You can ask me. I will explain it. You have to prepare your notes by your own, madam, while you are teaching these. This is some depth topic having, but easily we may teach it, right? We may teach easily, but depth having in that topic. So you have to prepare your own words. How I told you, collocations means natural word combination. You can explain like the way. Okay, we can't divide those. Those are called natural words. We can't divide those. Okay, like that you have to prepare your own notes by your own. Next, any one of you have any doubts regarding this can ask me, please. No doubts? Okay. Let's go with next side, madam. Next side, second side is there, no? Goodbyes. We learn that greetings. When we meet any person, we greet. But when we leave any person, we say like this: goodbye, bye, see you later. Farewell is not using here, but you may. Okay, now that's a new word. And here, what are the vowels? What are the consonants? You have to teach them. Vowels means there only we have. How do we pronounce those? What is the difference between consonants and vowels? Consonants having very short sound, but vowels having long sound. You may pronounce it. A, E, I, O, U. Like this you have to pronounce. That's the difference between vowels and consonants. You have to teach them. Next one. Okay. Here some words are there, madam. How to pronounce. Pronunciation. Apple, butterfly, cat. Means alphabetical order words you have to teach them. Otherwise, if you are able to teach them, you may teach like this. A for words you have to write 2 or 3. Give them like this according to their standard. Okay, write A for words 2 and B for 2. C for 2. And ask them ask them the spelling also. Okay, spelling, and they had to learn that pronunciation along with the spelling. But tell them to write small words. According to their class, you have to suggest them, madam. Okay. See here, small words only there. Apple, butterfly, cat, dog, elephant, fork. They may understand easily. Okay, you to teach like the way. Next one. Same like that alphabets you have to teach up to Z, madam. Up to Z we say it. Not as Z. Up to Z. Okay. Nowadays pronouncing this as Z, not as Z. Okay. So up to that you have to teach like this very small, with very small words. Don't go with the big words, guys. Why? Because they are unable to say the spelling there. Okay. Next, if they are unable to pronounce, what should we do? See. Suppose I taught you collocations. Right? Okay. Sometimes we are also getting confused to pronounce any word, right, guys? So, Telugu we are pronouncing like a letter, means letter wise, but here we are having some different. So, how to pronounce this means you have to pronounce it as syllable wise. You know syllable, I think, right? Syllables, you know, syllable wise. We learnt it in inter, right? So syllable wise you have to pronounce. Syllable means nothing but the word we pronounce. Word we pronunciation is called syllable. Suppose collocations. Okay, guys. See, like this. Collocations. Madam, if you don't have network, it will be struck, madam. Who messaged me, I don't know. But I don't have any problem with me, madam. If you have network issue, it will struck definitely. So please check your network.
Ma'am, your video is tracking.
Madam,
Your video is tracking.
all of you saying, guys, how many of you saying that my video is tracking? No, no one.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, madam. Why? Because I don't do. Yeah, Niharika, madam. Yeah, okay, madam. If you don't have proper network, it will struck, madam. Why? Because I'm teaching, means I'm teaching through Wi-Fi, so I don't have any network issue, madam. Not having also. Why? Because I'm teaching so many classes, no. So I'll be handle my network properly, right? Okay, thank you. Right. So collocations. Like this, if you have to divide a word and pronounce the sound is called syllable, guys. So teach them how to pronounce any word which is big, unable to pronounce easily, to say as syllable wise. Okay, so it is easy. Any more doubts, guys? Anyone, please ask me. Today's class. So second lesson and second unit means exercises also we finished, right? So everyone should prepare
Yes,
your notes by your own, madam. Okay, I don't continue today communicative English after I teach this book. After I teach this, then only I'll continue communicative English. Why? Because already I taught you guys 4 or 5 topics, right? So you had to teach students those topics up to that. Okay, up to you teach all those, then remaining topics I'll teach you. I'll continue remaining topics with means after I teach this book. Okay, it is very easy to understand if we go with one topic. If I teach both, we are unable to understand, it will be making clumsy, right? Okay, any more doubts, anyone, please ask me.
madam, once explain collocations, madam. After your explanation, I'll connect the class, madam. I'm not understood.
Okay, madam, I'll send you a video, you have to watch it. Okay,
Okay, madam.
right.
Okay, madam.
No problem, you can watch it, madam. Why? Because network issue also they are having, so they are unable to listen my voice sometimes. They miss some of the words. That's what I am recording, guys. Whenever you have any doubt, you can watch the video and you have to follow that and you have to go with that. Okay? So that's it for today's our class, guys. Have you any more doubts, anyone? Please ask me.